Hello, my name is Michael Warren, founder and COO of AsInt. AsInt is a software provider. We build software that sits inside the SAP solution stack that is specifically focused around maintenance and reliability. And we're working with a few customers. One specifically is OMV, and OMV in Romania and Austria, and we're helping them consolidate their mechanical integrity solutions on the SAP platform. In today's hierarchy in IT infrastructure, what we're seeing is several areas of siloed data. And so our challenge is to take each one of those and provide a suitable solution inside SAP that consolidates all of these siloed solutions into one platform. Specifically, a company like Rising that can help implement our solution, right? So we develop the software and then we depend on these partner companies like Rising to help the digital transformation overall for the IT portion of it. I thought it was a really good conference. I like the closed door approach. I like the fact that we have the right level of people, C-level, CIO, CTO folks here on site, and I think it was a good collaboration.